So here she is, nice and highlighted. Now the bright lights is on it. So this is what she's looking like. Oh my, let me just turn her around so you got, now you can see where we're going with this on the cuteness, okay? So here's what I'm thinking. Now I don't want to put too much red, violet on it because I don't want it to take out her highlights, right? I want to keep this copper nice and funky, though some of y'all are probably like, girl, you better leave that color alone. That color looking funky, cold, medieval. You see that? Now you see why I was saying I did not want to put a lot of highlights in the hairline here, because as you can see, she's got a lot. She getting it on. She getting it in. Let me just turn around this way. I feel like I'm on a cooking show, okay? All right, so let's part her down the middle. So you can see the nice pattern. We got a nice heavy amount of highlights in here. So here's what I'm thinking in real life. So in real life, the front of our hair is really where we get all our little sassy little attitude, our little F-U-N-K-A-Y, a little funky jumping off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some red violet up in here, leave all of this copper. And then I'm deliberately going to leave some blonde out just because I'm fast. She ain't fast, but she's on my video, so you know I'm gonna use all this cuteness up, you know, drop it like it's hot, pick it up like it's cold, you know what I'm saying? So that's how we gonna rock this. So I'm gonna come back, I'll do some still, like, you know, move my camera around, the silent sound, and then you guys can determine if you like it or not. I will also put some pictures on there, so let's give it up for Marquisha, because she is ready to be F-U-N-K-A. Why ain't that funky enough? All right, okay, so you know what I say when I'm always signing out, right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the information. If you have any questions, type them in the comment section or a video you want me to do. I have my podcast, I have my no, I'm already on YouTube. I have my podcast, I have my blog, I have my Facebook page. So there you have it, and my books are available at lwrightbooks.com. All right, peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, then check out my Amazon store, okay? And then rub your beautiful bald head. We'll be back with the finished cuteness on this funky, cold diva blonde. Let me take off these hand condoms, as God's Tang would say. Bye. Okay, guys, here I am applying that beautiful coppery color. And again, the color line that I'm using to tone her highlights is by Guy Tang, the My Identity collection, and it's for licensed professionals only. So we're just having a good time here at the salon. I'm just getting a little busy there, going back and forth. Really excited about this application technique. So there it is again. You know, her hair has been blow dried, and that's to ensure that the color will apply evenly. And this is just a lot of fun. So maybe you can try this or ask your stylist to give it a try. And check me out on these social media platforms.